Big news out of Florida. Welcome to another edition of Lumberjack Logic. I'm your host, Neil Johnson. Excited to be with you and share this with you. Look, Joe Biden has not done anything to secure our border or our national sovereignty. So the Attorney General of Florida, Ashley Moody, and one of my listeners made me aware of this, and this is really a great thing. So she did a press release. In just a few days, Attorney General Ashley Moody's team of attorneys will be taking the Biden administration to court over unlawful immigration policies. Through months of intense discovery, lawyers for Florida uncovered evidence of Biden ignoring public safety in immigration laws, allowing more than 1 million unvetted, inadmissible immigrants into the interior. So this is where this gets so good. They've done a bunch of discovery. They've got the goods and they're going after it. So it gets better. The upcoming trial beginning on Monday is a culmination of efforts by Attorney General Moody's team, surviving motions to dismiss and summary judgment by opposing counsel. So of course the government didn't want any of this coming to light. They wanted it dismissed. They filed summary judgment and will once again show that the Biden administration is threatening American safety by intentionally weakening our nation's border security. Okay, they go on here, and I'll link to this below in the description. But here's the main things they discovered during the course of this litigation. A deposition of U.S. Border Patrol Chief Raul Ortiz that shows the Biden administration purposely reduced detention capacity of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement and narrowed removal pathways. Ortiz claimed these charges left Border Patrol with no other choice but to release hundreds of thousands of immigrants into the interior. Ortiz also agreed that Biden's policies caused the unprecedented surge at the border. A memo outlining the federal government's plan in the event of immigrants overrun the border if Title 42 expires, the mass release of immigrants into the U.S. So that was their plan if that event occurred because of Title 42, okay? Another one, testimony and deposition of ICE Executive Associate Director for Enforcement and Removal Operations, Corey Price, confirmed the Biden administration knew its immigration priorities would cut enforcement in half and still implemented them. Price also confirmed that ICE is removing more than 7 times fewer inadmissible immigrants than in 2012, booking in roughly half the number of immigrants than the previous administration. ICE training videos showing officials discussing the logistical problems created when federal authorities intentionally release tens of thousands of immigrants without charging documents, a formal legal document requiring immigrants to appear before an immigration judge. So they've got all of this in discovery. And the court case starts Monday. Another one you're going to want to follow. In addition to Missouri versus Biden, the legal troubles for the Biden administration continue to mount, just like the legal troubles for Katie Hobbs continue to mount. They are way abusing their authority here, and they are not abiding by the law. Border Patrol encountered a record 2.76 million illegal immigrants during the federal fiscal year ending in September of 2022. Border Patrol encountered nearly 100 people on the terrorist watch list in fiscal year 2022. That's a 276% increase compared to the past 5 years combined. Since February 2021, authorities seized nearly 23,000 pounds of illicit fentanyl, enough to kill every man, woman, and child in the U.S. more than 15 times over. People, the Biden regime we know is bad, but people are rising up. Hold the line, keep the faith, all right? And hey, support my sponsor, MyPillow. MyPillow.com, promo code Lumberjack, save you up to 66%, and watch one of these other videos that I have on the screen because they're good. All right, I love y'all. Peace out.